right there. Slightly less talented, but still eager to learn.
You could do like a strum and a... Yep. And then your little... Yeah, there we go.
Currently represented by Def Jam Records, ready for her star to rise. Reflecting on that idea, transformation. Not just a simple name change, but a new way to look at her future.
Get this tea while it's...
And how about this? Money now taking calls from and meetings with some who didn't think Priscilla had what it takes.
That means the plan worked. My mom always says, don't tell people where you're going because they'll get in your way. So by the time people found out that it was these two, you can't stop it.
A decade of pitching and selling her songs, chasing her dreams, all while waking up every day in physical pain.